Introducing the new Timesheet feature in Xpress Health. Here's a quick demo on how to use the Timesheet feature, from uploading physical timesheets to editing and approving digital ones, all in just a few taps. In healthcare, every minute matters, but managing shifts and getting paid shouldn't add to the pressure. From confusing approvals to piles of paperwork, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why we built the Xpress Health app, to make shift management simple, seamless, and stress-free. With Xpress Health, nurses can handle everything, from shift approvals to payments, all in one place. At the bottom of your Xpress Health app screen, you'll find the Timesheet tab. Tap on it to open your timesheet dashboard. This takes you to the flagged section, where you'll find all unapproved or disputed shifts. Tap on Get Approval to begin. Review your shift details, and if needed, make edits by tapping Edit. Update the necessary fields and tap Update. Then, tap Complete Timesheet to confirm. Next, hand your phone to the facility manager for approval. No network? No problem. You can upload a paper timesheet anytime using Physical Timesheet. Tap on Add Physical Timesheet to upload your documents. If needed, you can make edits using the Edit option. Once everything is filled out, tap on Upload and then tap on Complete Timesheet to finish. Once approved, your shifts automatically move to the Withdraw section. Here, you'll see all shifts that are ready for payment, with your available earnings displayed under Total Balance. Select the shifts you want to withdraw and tap on Withdraw, and continue. These shifts will now move to the Submitted tab. Your balance updates instantly. To view details, simply tap on View Details to see your payment summary. To access your holiday pay, tap the Holiday Pay option just below your balance. Your available holiday pay is clearly shown. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Tap on Withdraw, then tap Confirm, and your remaining balance updates immediately. No delays, no confusion, no stress. Just faster approvals, quicker payments, and more time for what really matters. Xpress Health. Shift management made simple. Download the app now and take control of your time.